Hi friends, in this session we will going to see the Latin square design analysis, how to do the Latin square design analysis in the Excel, okay? And this is for 9 treatments. It's a huge research, okay? Don't do this type of research. It's up to 8, it's the manageable on field, but exceed if it's 9 treatments, you can manage in the polyhouse or like things, but it's very difficult to manage, okay? So if you are able to manage, then definitely you can see if you need. Okay, you can see here you'll get the treatments. In treatments you'll go row and columns. In row we have the 9 treatments. You can see in the row we are not repeating any letter. Okay, just once in a row means we need A once in a row and A once in a column for all these. We don't want to repeat any character in a row or in a column. Keep in mind. Next, as per your allocation treatments or as per your research or as per your outline of research or synopsis, you just modify or change the later places. Okay, so if your E is here and this E is not here in this column, okay, you can replace that. Okay, and it's easy because I highlighted with the help of red color. You need to make changes in these red color values only, not any other values. Okay, and this is fully automatic sheet. You need to change this value and whatever your values obtained from field or lab or polyhouse, you just put here. Okay, so you will get the grand total over here, then row total, then row average, then column total, column average, then you will get the treatment total for all age. Means we have 9 age, so we take together 9 age and mentioned here and we averaged that. It's easy and this is fully automatic. You know, if you change the place of A anywhere in this allocation table, then no worries, it will take automatically over here. Okay, then you will get the final thesis table. You can just copy paste this table for your thesis. Then very important, you will get the ANOVA table. In that you will get source of variation for treatment, row, column, then error, that is residual or error degrees of freedom. You will get the degrees of freedom, sum of square, mean sum of square, F calculated, F table, and significance. Okay, in significance you will get treatment whether it's significant or non-significant. If it is non-significant, you will see here the NS, that is just, it means if here is non-significant, then you will see the NS, and if it's significant, then SIG. Okay, it's simple. You'll get for significance 5% as well as 1%, means here is the 1% and here is the 5%. So below you will get the CV, then standard error mean, standard error difference, then you will get the CD value 5% and 1%. If your treatments are significant, then go post hoc analysis. Okay, if you don't know about the post hoc analysis, then definitely ask me in the comment box. I definitely answer your question. Okay, if any question regarding this. And the last one, you will get the graphical data representation in bar graph or bar chart. You need to just put the axis title here. If you want to change anything in this, just go to the chart design, then select elements. If you want to add anything, axis title primary, then vertical, horizontal. Okay, then chart title. If you want to put top, okay, you see here. Then you want to put the bar, error bars. Okay, you see here. Then if you want to put legend, okay, you can see here. You can modify anything as per your need. In this design, all is everything, but if you want the big plots and big, it's unmanageable. Okay, so instead it's only 5 to 8 treatments for Latin square design. Keep in mind. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you want this sheet, then definitely my number is in description box. Just contact me, I'll give you pricing. If you like, then you will buy from us. Okay, thank you so much.